Hi friends, welcome to Indian Actress Paradise. In this video, you are going to watch Meena's top 5 river water scenes. Meena is an Indian actress who works in South Indian films as well as Hindi films. Meena has done a lot of risky river water scenes in many number of films. Here are the list of top 5 river water scenes she has done in films. At number 5, Maratodu na Mogudu. This river water scene of Meena was picturized for the film Maratodu na Mogudu. It is a 1992 Telugu film starring Raj Shekhar in the main lead. It was directed by A. Kodandarami Reddy and produced by Bulli Subbarao Burgupalli. Meena was beautifully picturized in this risky river sequence by the cinematographer C. Vijay Kumar. Meena's performance was highly appreciated by both critics and audience. Meena played a very de-glamorized role in this film. At number 4, Bobbili Vamsham. This river water scene of Meena was picturized for the film Bobbili Vamsham. It is a 1999 Telugu film starring Rajashekhar in the main lead. It was directed by K.S. Adyaman and produced by C. Kalyan. Meena was beautifully picturized in this risky river sequence by the cinematographer T. Anand Kumar. At number 3, Yanarai Manasile. This risky river sequence of Meena was picturized for the film Yanarai Manasile. It is a 1991 Tamil film starring Raj Kiran in the main lead. It was directed by Kasturi Raja and produced by Raj Kiran. Meena was beautifully picturized in this risky river sequence by the cinematographer Kichas. At number 2, Mutu. This risky river sequence of Meena was picturized for the film Mutu. It is a 1995 Tamil film starring Rajinikanth in the lead role. It was directed by K.S. Ravikumar and produced by Kavitalaya Productions. Meena was beautifully picturized in this risky river water sequence by the cinematographer Ashok Rajan. At number 1, Ashanmugi. This river water sequence of Meena was picturized for the film Ashanmugi. It is a 1996 Tamil film starring Kamala Hassan in the lead role. Meena was beautifully picturized in this risky river water sequence by the cinematographer S. Murthy. This video is dedicated to Meena, the glamorous queen of South Indian cinema. Thank you for watching our video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to Indian Actress Paradise. Thank you once again from Indian Actress Paradise.